Discipline isn't a willpower problem. It's a competition between what your brain wants later and what it can get right now. Your prefrontal cortex helps you focus on the long-term goal. The gym, the deadline, the healthy meal, the version of you that doesn't exist yet. But other brain systems are highly responsive to immediate rewards. And immediate rewards have one unfair advantage. You can experience them now. The satisfaction of checking your phone, the comfort of staying in bed, the quick pleasure of eating something you know you probably shouldn't. Meanwhile, the benefits of your long-term goal are still somewhere in the future. You have to imagine them. And when you're tired, stressed, bored, or mentally drained, that immediate reward can become even harder to resist. That's why you can genuinely want something and still choose the opposite. Not because you're weak, and not because you secretly don't care about your goals. Your brain is constantly weighing what feels rewarding now against what might pay off later. So the answer isn't always more willpower. It's fewer battles. Remove the decision. Remove the temptation. Make the disciplined choice the easy choice, not the heroic ones. Put your phone somewhere you can't reach it. Prepare the meal before you're hungry. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Decide when you're motivated, so you don't have to decide when you're exhausted. You're not trying to become strong enough to resist temptation forever. You're changing the environment so temptation has less power over you. Because real discipline isn't about becoming stronger than your brain every single day. It's about understanding how your brain works and making it easier for the version of you that you actually want to become to win. You were never supposed to outmuscle your brain every day. You were supposed to learn how to work with it. If your brain just did something it never explained to you, subscribe.